Hi everyone. So today I wanted to share some tools, something about a tool that I created. So this is a very simple tool at the outset if you think about it. It allows you to map your products or map anything. These are in one column. Let's say for there are two sheets, input and product. So in input you have the around 1500 products, and now we have to map this. What is the status of in our application, whatever. So in our application, whether these products have the status mapped or not. So just a confirmation matching that whether they are present in our application. Now using this Excel only, here only, we will get the data, their status on our application. And now how we will do that is using Power Query. And we will get data. You can get data from multiple options, like from web, from table ranges. I have used web because I have a API call. So using web, I have uh, got the data and I've got their status. There are 950 rows. So there are more than 2,000 products. Just show you the editor. This is the Power Query editor you have. And here in you go there in the advanced editor. And here you write the exact query. The called M code, where you define the exact code and how you will get the data. And for this you need the exact token, the uh, details of the API from the web. You are choosing the property that you want to get data from the web. So you have to define how you are uh, going to get that data. So if I take, let's say, from web. So if I am clicking on from web, now I have the option of entering the URL where my data is. And if I click on advanced, then I can input the request, HTTP request. I can input the header. I can input the time or how much wait it has to do before I will get the data. Sometimes data is very fast, so timing may be an issue. So this is a related query. This is the first, this is the second. So based on this first one, I'm getting this status. So second, it is just the this is my input that I have given in this sheet. Second, the product name, and third, you are getting the status and code variant ID. So if it is present in the location uh, source from where you are getting the information, so in the query you can give that I want that information. If it is not there, then you can go and you can input the. This is just a code for I wanted to merge this into my main sheet. Data such as code variant ID if it is present in there. So this is just merging the code part. Main is that the sheet. So here we how we save is this is how we save. Whenever you want to get the latest one, you can just have to refresh this. You will get the latest data. Don't save because I have not many. So that is all I think. We'll meet in the next video.